In this tutorial, I'll show you how to view product analytics on Gumroad in under 2 minutes. Viewing product analytics on Gumroad helps you track sales, revenue, customer activity, and product performance so you can understand which products are performing best. First, open Gumroad in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click on the Analytics section. After opening Analytics, you'll see important information like total sales, revenue, units sold, top performing products, customer metrics, and sales trends. Now, to view analytics for a specific product, click on the product filter option and choose the product you want to analyze. Once selected, Gumroad will show detailed analytics for that specific product, including units sold, revenue performance, traffic sources, customer activity, and affiliate sales performance. You can also filter the analytics by date range. For example, you can choose the last 7 days, last 30 days, or even set a custom date range using the calendar option. This helps you compare performance during different periods and track product growth more accurately. Another useful feature is comparing multiple products together to see which one generates more sales or performs better over time. Usually, the analytics section is the best place to monitor your store performance because it gives you a clear overview of your sales data, customer behavior, and product trends all in one place. That's it. Once you open the analytics section and select a product, you can quickly track all of your Gumroad product performance data in just a few clicks.